Hello everyone. I am very happy and very energetic also that today my dream have come true. This is one of the most ambitious vision a long back, and today this school is open and started functioning from 1st July. We are into this profession from last 21 years और आज 21 साल के बाद जब मैं इस सपने को साकार होता देखता हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और ये जो स्कूल हमने क्रिएट किया है, ये जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमने क्रिएट किया है, ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जनरली पीपल विल नॉट सी इन देयर सराउंडिंग्स, नॉट इन सराउंडिंग्स, दे विल नॉट सी इन मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस। इस स्कूल का जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है विच इज नॉट कॉमन, विच इज एक्सट्रीमली अनकॉमन एंड वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द नर्चरिंग ऑफ यंग माइंड्स। तो चलो अब मैं आपको अंदर लेके चलता हूँ।
So this we have the spring riders. They are the wooden spring riders. These types of spring riders you will not get in India. They are bought from. They all are from international brand, and they are very safe. Kids will not get hurt. There is no edges. They are very comfortable and child friendly for kids. So now this we have created adventure rope for kids. Kids can hang themselves. They can climb. And they can just stretch their bodies here. This we have created an outdoor area where they can explore and they can enjoy the outer area as well. So we have created a musical for kids. Here we have the drums for kids. They can enjoy though because we have the different sounds to give them a perception of sound. This we have a xylophone. Kids can do any, they can just play it and create any sound from it. Then this is also a xylophone. This is a standing xylophone. It has a different voice, so it will help kids to concentrate on sound and to make them relax. This is a flower, and this every petal has the different sounds. We have created a jungle zone theme for kids. Here we have deers and giraffe and many more animals to come. This we have created a small jungle so that they can come and explore this jungle here along with the animals. So let's take you inside to explore our beautiful area which we have created differently and designed differently. You will not get this area You will not get this area to see in any of the play school. This we have created a very beautiful designed creative designs for kids. So this we have a spinny wall, so kids can create a 3D image over here. Any image they can create, and they can it will help in their gross motor skills and fine motor skills and hand and eye coordination as well, like this. So this we have a foam wall. Kids can create any of the image here, so that it will help in their gross motor skills to make any image. So it will again it will give a 3D effect. Whenever they're creating any image there, they'll attract it a lot and they'll understand the concept of drawing an image. So it is a very unique PlayStation, I'll call it, as you will get this here in the icon only, not in the near about surroundings. Here we can create any of image. If I'll be putting my hands from that side, the image will come like here in this side, and it will give a 3D effect. So it will help kids a lot, and kids will enjoy it, so they can see their image here or whatever they're creating. It will come to the next side. So this we have a jungle zone. You have seen this in the malls. So we have created here to just ask our kids to play here. We have sliders here. Then we have a trampoline inside. Kids are coming and enjoying a lot in this structure. So we have created it to give them competition that when they were going to malls, they're getting this in the school only. So this we have a very interesting wall. We call it as a science wall or an air maze wall. Kids are putting the balls here, and it will be sucking, and that will be coming with the friction. So we have created it to give them a concept of science. This we have created a Lego wall. Kids can put the Legos here, or they can just draw any of the image like this, and it will help in the color recognitions as well. This we have an indoor gym and a wall climber. Here kids can climb, they can do activities, they can just this is a ladder, so it will give them a perception of a ladder. Then they can hang themselves, they can climb and put their legs and go up by like this. So we have created a wall hanger for them. So this we have a gel tile. Here we have multiple colors. It will help kids to take care of their hand and eye coordination. So they'll be putting this and having an imagination. So now let's take you to the first floor where we have the classrooms and how we have constructed our classroom. This is the lobby area. From there we'll be going upstairs, and we have a concept of stairs where kids are going in the stairs and they'll be reaching to their classes. So let's take you to the classrooms. These are the classrooms for our kids. We have constructed our classroom according to the color theme. And there you will not get any edges in the classrooms. We have CCTV in the classrooms. We have ACs in the classrooms. We have constructed the classroom as we have a big window from where our kids can get the sunlight and they can just see the outside area as well. So this is the rubber board furniture, wooden furniture. It will not hurt kids. If kids, chew as well, they'll not get hurt. As we don't have any edges here, we have, every edges are curved. We have done the rubber flooring. It is a non-palace flooring, is safe for kids and will not get, this flooring will not get burned. Even though we have created the paneling, color paneling and color theme for the kids here and the walls as well, so to give them introduction of colors. So this we have a daycare room. We have created a low-rise beds and a high-rise beds. So low-rise for the toddlers, kids who are for 8 months or 1 year, we have kept them a low-rise bed for them, and kids who are a little bigger, we have kept as the high-rise beds. So we'll give the daycare services as well. Even though for fun, we have created a bunker beds for them where they can just go and enjoy and explore. So we have maintained a low-rise washrooms. We have kept a low-rise wash basin. Even the pots are low-rise for kids so that kids can go.
Talking about Icon's curriculum and academics. So according to my experience, जो academics Icon में we are providing, बच्चे के foundation के लिए बहुत ही important, बहुत ही strong foundation के लिए we are working. 4-5 years जो भी पेरेंट्स ने अपने बच्चे को हमारे को दिया और टीचर और मदर दोनों ने मिलकर उस करिकुलम को, उस एक्टिविटीज को, लर्निंग पार्ट को अच्छे तरीके से करा लिया, तो आई बिलीव वो बच्चे को आगे की फाइट वो बच्चा खुद लड़ेगा, उसको ना टीचर की और ना मदर की हेल्प की जरूरत होगी। एकेडमिक्स पर हमने बहुत फोकस किया। हमारा एकेडमिक्स बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है। छोटे छोटे बच्चों को वी आर नर्चरिंग। 4-5 इयर्स में हमारा पूरा कोशिश होती है कि बच्चों को बहुत ही लर्निंग, प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग हम लोग बच्चों को कराएं। 3-4 इयर्स जो बच्चा आइकन में पढ़ लेता है, हमारे करिकुलम के साथ टीचर और मदर मिलकर वर्क कर लेती हैं, वो बच्चा आगे की फाइट खुद करेगा, उसको मदर और टीचर की हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं है। अंसल में वो ब्यूटीफुल क्लासरूम्स के साथ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन, बहुत ही प्रॉपर डिजाइन करिकुलम। हमारी टीचर्स का, आई एम कमिटिंग यू ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय ट्रेन टीचर्स, कि वो बच्चों को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन यहाँ पर देंगे कि आप ऑल ओवर कंट्री में बच्चे के एडमिशन के लिए अगर KG2 के बाद क्लास 1 में भी अप्लाई करेंगे, अगर एक सीट होगी तो वो आइकन का बच्चा लेगा। आई एम कमिटिंग यू।
आइकन इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ पेरेंट्स बच्चे को भेजकर स्कूल में रिलैक्स फील कर सकते हैं कि हाँ मेरा बच्चा एक सेफ हैंड्स में है। यहाँ पर बच्चों को एंटरटेन करने के लिए और एक हमारा केयरिंग स्टाफ है और सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली है। यहाँ पे CCTV कैमरा एक्सेस वी आर हैविंग एंड जो क्लास में जो भी फर्नीचर है वो भी चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली है। और जो टीचर्स आर वेरी केयरिंग एज ए मदर। Teachers are mother away from mother. I can say कि Elite Icon is the second home for the child. हम लोगों ने यहाँ बच्चों के लिए फुल इक्विपमेंट्स रखे हैं और पूरी फैसिलिटीज़ का ध्यान रखा है। आउटडोर इंडोर सारी फैसिलिटीज़ हम लोगों के पास है। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर बच्चा आइकन में आए और जो यहाँ आकर एंजॉय करे, एज वेल पेरेंट्स भी बहुत एंजॉय करें।
Because every smile matters.
Because parent deserves peace of mind.
Because every child deserves quality education.
ये हम सब समझते हैं और हम सब जानते भी हैं, बट एट टाइम्स वी डू नॉट एक्नॉलेज दिस कि चाइल्डहुड कैन नॉट वेट। बचपन वेट थोड़ी करेगा, बचपन तो बढ़ता रहेगा। Icon nurturing innocence, Elite is much more than a preschool.
It is a place where curiosity grows,
Where children feel safe.
where every day becomes a joyful learning experience.
And today I am here to tell you about the programs and the USPs of our new school which we inaugurated on 27th of June, just opposite Crossy Republic in Ghaziabad. So I am touching although this list is very long, but I am touching few very unique propositions, USPs of this branch especially. And the home away from home atmosphere is given in Icon Nurturing Innocence. And what does that mean? It means that we give mother touch, motherly care, and for that we hire only mothers. We provide meals to the children which is cooked in school only, and no junk food is served in the school, and all the materials we procure and purchase from the market is packaged. No loose items or no non-branded cheese served to the children. Another USP is our welcome activity which we conduct to address the separation anxiety of the children. Although in this branch which is based out in Ansal, the separation anxiety is other way around. Now children are crying when they go to home. They don't want to go to home. तो यहाँ पे एक अलग तरह की एंग्जाइटी डेवलप हो गई है. अदरवाइज we introduce welcome activity to address separation anxiety of the children when they come to the school or when they are separated from the parents. Another USP is our curriculum, which we have prepared after a search and research of 21 years, and we amend it every year based on the development and the innovation in the market. ये पूरा का पूरा curriculum हमारी अपनी in-house team ने डिजाइन किया है, डेवलप किया है. We have big team of academicians who always keep on looking the changes coming in the market or the development happening in the market or the new tools and things are coming for the well-being of the children of the play school level. उनको सबको cover करके we have designed this curriculum. Another big point in terms of the USP is our trained staff. We have most of the staff working for the Icon Nurturing Innocence in any of the branch is almost from the day we started that institution. Likewise, in this Ansal school, we have 5 team members over there, rather 8 team members. 4 are teachers, 1 is the big boss of the school and the 3 didis. All these 8 people are very well trained, and they are trained from different institutions. Now they are being trained as per the pedagogy, as per the curriculum, as per the concept, as per the protocols, as per the processes of Icon Nurturing Innocence, and they will become Icon tomorrow. Another USP which I would like to touch, which we have done only and only in this branch, is live CCTV access to the parents. I want to see all of you to come on live and watch this bulletin. This bulletin is exclusively made to tell about the things and the infrastructure we have put in this branch of Icon Nurturing Innocence Elite in Ansal Sushantro Aquapolis. Thank you, and thank you very much.
Welcome to Icon Nurturing Innocence Elite.